nebaza nnyo Katonda nti ntambudde nnyo ne Uganda tourism. Katonda ampadde omukisa ne tulambula Uganda era nenyumiriza nnyamu okubeera nga nze Golola Moses of Uganda. Mbadde ngenda nga mu Western omwo naye ng'oluusi mpitamu paka Kabaale ne ngenda tesimanya kikituufu kiri.
Okay guys, let's go.
Naye mu Western tugenda okulaba abachwezi, tugenda okuwalumbe gye yabulira, tugenda okugenda mu bachwezi, tugenda ku eclipse, nakoma okulaba eclipse nga president eyo nekako galubindi. Naye nze wadde sina galubindi eclipse ngenda kuziraba.
Ya tugenda mu Western gabe mukimanyi nti eggwanga Uganda tulina oliteeka ku ntiko okitegeera. So ku mulundi guli twagenda Eastern region, this time around tugenda mu West ate tujja kugenda ne mu North. So tugezaako kutunda ggwanga Uganda abantu bategere nti Uganda tulina ebyobulambuzi ebisikiriza ebinyuma ebirungi. Tugenda mu game parks ezenjawulo, tugenda Kasese Fort Portal Mbalala n'abantu wala wangi nnyo. So explore Uganda, explore the West, the Pearl of Africa. Kyenzudde omanyi ffe tukuze tetulambula nga tugenda mu America, tugenda wa Dubai naye nga tetumanyi Uganda bulungi bweriko. So bannayuganda tubakubiriza Uganda nnungi ate erina ebyokulambula bingi. So tweweeyo tulambule eggwanga lyaffe ate tulyagale tutumbule ebyobulambuzi ate bibere ku ntiko. Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Thank you.
Si kyamaanyi nnyo naye kati njagala agenda kulaga bantu kuba ffe twabirabala bisinga naye abantu bamanyi nti we bagenda we bava e Bulaaya bagenda mu gavana bagenda mu midongo yeri okunyumirwa ne wano tugenda kulambula Uganda entuufu. Twali mu Mbale mulaba ne kati wano mugenda kumanya Uganda entuufu. Lake Bunyonyi, the deepest lake in Africa eri mu Uganda. Bingi tugenda okuba abantu balaga gye basimanga Kopa, Kirembe Kopa Mine, bingi national game parks. Waliwo gye bayita Mbulo Lake Park, game park. Tugenda zanya n'empologoma ojja n'ogibuuzaako neekubuuzaako bwesima neekuli omukono kamugala byonna mugenda biraba. Kyenzudde birungi byerere sina kirala era we mbikunnyonnyola nja kulimba tugende tubyerabireko. Ani mubuuze kamuyite omubuuze Chiko tebakulabye nga elefanti agambye yasamira muli naye nga ye mupazi bwe muli bamawulire mukola ngambo sorry temugenda genda nera mwe mufuna omukisa mufuna abakwata bino na mugende mulambule ku Uganda temuleme birabanga ku social media kwokka mukitegedde musibe bulungi mweraba.
Abantu balina ensonga zaabwe lwaki tebazze naffe kubanga you can tell eri wikidde abamu balina okukola naye just kyetugenda okukola wano tugenda kukozesa influence yaffe tugenda kukozesa platform yaffe okubalaga ki ekiri mu Uganda. So the reason tuli ku trip eno okubalaga mwana Uganda yakabi ekifo ky'okugenda e Dubai oba South Africa tusookere wano ewaka tulina ebintu ebyakabi. So okukozesa platform zaffe tugenda kubalaga ki kye tulina. So kyekyo maani eri explore west Java so amanyiyo
exploringa west kuba omukyala yafuna weeyo kwega yasookayo ate abayo buli kiro tutaka mu luzungu. So it's my first time to go to the western region of Uganda. I've never visited a national park in my whole life. It's my first time and I'm super excited. We always talk about visiting other places, but I think it has to start from home. As a country, there is a reason why we are called Pearl of Africa. We are endowed naturally by the Creator by very many tourist sites. So we are going to visit the Sempaka Hot Springs. We are visiting Queen Elizabeth National Park that harbors the Big Five. If you know the Big Five, they're in Queen Elizabeth National Park. So it is an exciting trip and I can't wait to share with you guys. Check out all social media platforms. Explore Western Uganda. See you. Bamisi bajja naye tetwaganya okwenyiga eno basi yababedemu yababeddemu. So mu following buli omu ba Salvador, Madrat, banze bani social media platforms zonna tugenda kubaako from today up to Sunday when we are back in Kampala. So pray for us and keep following us. Mugule data.
Owa imulagawa.
Tugenda mu West City. Tugenda kulambula West. Tugenda Lukaya, tugenda Kayabwe Kuikweta, tugenda Masaka, tugenda Mbarara, tugenda Muleke Mburo, tugenda mu Queen Elizabeth, tugenda kwetolola Kasese, tugenda Fort Portal, tugenda mu Mabere. Ate Mabere yo nyino genda yo nnyo.
Mabere waliyo kyekyenja.
Kanyina mwiru simayo ati ali nyina muddugavu. Naye nyina mweru kakati. Lenga je tugenda okulambula bannaye explore Uganda ekikoze explore the West. Kuno kunyumirwa kwennyini.
Vibe mweri mu motoka.
Vibe yakutedda tulina ano byantalo wali nnyo tulina babu.
Ogambye ki?
Tetusobola kubitegeera.
Tugeze mu West, tugeze waka tujja kubanyonyola ebiddako mu maaso.
Tugeze Mabere ganyina mweru, ente z'abanyankole.
Mama kalika presenter nga kanyirira.
Tugeze Mabere ganyina mweru.
Nyinani?
Nyina beera.
Ate omuddugavu.
Tugeze Mabere ganyina Zubeda. Era kati abasigadde
Mabere gakino nzato muyogera ku mabere mulamba.
abasigadde Kampala tunache tubetaza tugeze kulaba matutu.
Tugeze nabaki?
Tugeze kuyonka batayo.
Tegagwa matutu.
Akanyina mwiri.
Mubeere ku social media handle zaffe.
Kitonsa ku bulusi ku Sanekeizi Rasta.
Babere ku Jajja Bruce, babere ku The Chitonsas, babere ku Shamimu Mayanja, babere ku Rasta Mtoro, byonna Sanekeizi zonna mwino zibaako.
Singira ddala. Mubeere ku njerabe.
Nene kyayisitaleke kaye. Gwe naye yagala tukolere ekintu ng'oli eyo era tukuyonkere ku mabere ganyina bweru. Sindika message. Nze nkuyonkere.
Ajati.
Wanji baby.
Ogamba otya?
Ebulungi oli otya?
Olugendo oli seeti?
Ndi seeti. Twaseti ngadda.
Nemire kikusibya gonja.
Wakusibuluka. Yasi.
Mama yamusibiridde emmere.
Yakoze eti?
Wakusibuluka. Tuwangane ebiti.
Ate ebyaki?
Toyinza kubanga ogenda kusibuluka gy'ogenda waliyo gonja n'osiba gonja. Zubeda.
Eno tugeze funa maanyi mani ye inotwala premier.
Enjovu mwagala jijjayo.
Enjovu ejjaggwa.
Ogambye ki?
Tugeze funa maanyi eno mu West.
Oyina ebigambo byogera
Sanchez. Kati katudde.
Kale.
Tugenda nakumpi ne wetulaga.
Make sure you have something warm. You have those hiking boots, water resistant, because you never know the weather in the West. Very watery. Hey. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request everybody to come through. We're going to do some routine dances. I got my girl, dancer. She's a very amazing dancer. Mameta. Before we hear a word from the minister, Madrat Chiko, please come on stage right now. Timon and Pumba, our biggest representatives in the comedy fraternity. I need you guys to come up here. Let us let our people know, because in the shortest time we are going to take off. So dance, Mamweta. Yeah, come through, my dear. Bruce. Where's Jaja Bruce? Yeah, Jaja Bruce, always hungry. Vince Musisi Oliwa. We need all the people to come through here. Madrat Chiko. For the non-English speaking people. So ladies and gentlemen, you're all most welcome. Thank you for coming. Explore Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. This time round we are going to the west. Ababaliwo the other time to Alimu Eastern region. So this time explore west. Tubasaba musembere ko ngale tunaita honorable ate aberinga ate atusimbula
The controller Bambi, controller wa machine yango tuyambeko. You're the controller, right?
Mwogera batwe bategeera abali okumotoka abasere mukyeno awabalesa yeno mukye muli mu luzungu abati bategeera luzungu na raiso
tumono mu Vietnam ate abaliseeyo omu Vietnam bana tusembere ate honorable aberenga at flagging off tutandike olugendo lwaffe obudde butono mwema mamweta
you're here
tetulina nnyo kyamagezi kyabagamba netugenda kulambula Uganda. So Honorable Minister Salvador aliwa amuyite bulungi, but the right Honorable Minister wa Tourism ali naffe asazeewo okujja tulambule Uganda. Ntambule ne kyali wange Brown Salvador Chiko ne mutabani we, but I'd like
Ladies and gentlemen, we are supposed to have a dance by Dance Bamweta. Unfortunately, we are using Uganda appliances which are still in analog. There is no flash drive anywhere in this. It's all analog. So unless you can sing for yourself, it's going to be very hard for us to have this amazing lady dance for us. But before we go any further, I think let me take this opportunity to invite the Right Honorable Minister of State for Tourism, Antiquities and Wildlife to come and officially welcome us and also flag us off. So ladies and gentlemen, okay. Honorable Minister will be joining us shortly. He will be here shortly. For now,
ladies and gentlemen, today it's a bit different. Byetugenda okulaba mu National Park tugenda tabula nabyo ebimu Jangwa no Salvador. These are one of the baboons we have here. So mulina okuba ku ngalo ez'amaanyi, ladies and gentlemen. We have the big baboon and the mother baboon. So well and good. It's pregnant already. So guys, it's gonna be exciting. Wow! Salvador got a microphone.
kirungi tugenda mu West naye abalimu nga muyina emiziro ng'oli Muganda olina omuziro gwo tutambudde nagwo abeddira enkima tulina omuziro gwammwe. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Minister ajja, then at flagging off abali ewala musembere. Honorable tusanyusa okulaba.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the Minister of State for Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities, we call upon the Miss Tourisms in your different capacities to also come up on stage here. We call upon the Askaris also to stand here just in case people want to throw water bottles. For now, ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together. A round of applause for our Minister.
Good morning, everyone. I think I should put off the cape sometime. First of all, I want to thank you all for coming. I think sector, let's clap for this big group of people. Thank you so much. I've been told we have around we have around registered participants. I've been informed we have around 480 registered participants for this trip. So I want to thank you all for coming. Thank you so much. I want first of all thank those that we started with, those that we did Elgon with. Are there some that we did Elgon with here? Wow, thank you so much. Thank you for being a part of this as well. I know we are going to do Northern Uganda after this trip. Please come and we continue this momentum. I want to thank you so much. We did some assessment for what we did in Mbale, and I can assure you the results were amazing. So I want to thank you, those of you that traveled with us, those of you that did the Wanale Challenge, those of you that tweeted about the Elgon region, the Sipi Falls. Thank you so much. And I think we had a lot of fun. So I want to assure those ones who are going with Tumbarara that we're also going to have fun. Just feel free, enjoy yourself, enjoy the experience, but most importantly, take amazing pictures about it, tweet about it, and share so that the entire country and the globe can know what Western Uganda has to offer as one of the regions within the Pearl of Africa. So I want to thank you so much. I want to introduce some of the people that I'm with here today. We have people from the private sector. As a Minister of Tourism, we give the enabling environment through which to do business for the private sector. So the private sector does the business. You know, they are the tour operators, they have the tour guide, so they bring in the clients. They are the hotel owners that take care of our people when they visit the hotels or take care of you. So we are a combination, work together as a team. Therefore, everything that we do, we are partners in growing the tourism sector. So I want to call upon the chairperson of the entire Uganda Tourism Association in this country to at least say hello. Say hello to, this is not time for speeches. Just say hello. So people.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Yes, I requested me to say hello to you, and I want to appreciate everybody here who has come, and I want to appeal to everybody with a nice camera. When you go out there, please make sure you take a nice photograph of the sites, of a tree, of a flower, of an animal, and share it on your Facebook page, on your social media pages. Please, let's make Uganda shine. The business is coming, and all of you will benefit. I thank you very much. I wish you the best of the trip.
Thank you. Of course, a team from the ministry, led by the director. Of course, we have so many agencies that we work with to put this together under the Ministry of Tourism. We have Uganda Tourism Board that is going to be part of us. We have Uganda Wildlife Education Center that you call the zoo in a way that is going to be part of this journey. We have Uganda Wildlife Authority that is under the ministry that is part of this journey. You can see these buses. Some of these vehicles are from WEC. We have the Uganda Museum, where you are today, that we are going with. We have Uganda Wildlife Research Training Institute in Kasese. It is participating with us. We have the Uganda Hotels and Uganda Hotel and Tourism Training Institute in Jinja. It is part of us. So on behalf of all those, Director, no speech, just say hello. So it's representing all of us as a sector from government. Thank you, Honorable Minister. Hello. Hello. Are we excited to go? So you're most welcome. The Minister has introduced the sector. All the agencies under the ministry, we are here represented, and we are proud that we are working together with the private sector and everyone here to explore Western Uganda. All the very best. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Now, representative of our beauty queens from the tourism sector, Miss Tourism, on behalf of all the beauty queens, Miss Uganda, Miss, you know, Uganda's most beautiful girls on Africa, on the continent, and actually globally. It's just say hello.
Hello, Uganda.
Thank you so much. On behalf of the organizers, Alibi Talent Africa, I want to thank you for putting this together. Now, our celebrities that we are moving with, man. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the passion. Salvador, Madrat Chiko, a number of influencers. Hey, by the way, today is Vince Musisi's birthday. So happy birthday to Vince. And of course, all those that are not going to go with us, but will continue sharing about our trip. I want to thank members of the press, all the media. Thank you for being a part of this. Thank you for supporting the sector. Thank you for creating awareness about the beauty of the Pearl of Africa. We appreciate. With those few remarks, I also want to thank the different sponsors that have partnered with us. But I want to call upon the private sector. Please come and join more. You know you can support us more. Just fill these buses with all kinds of drinks, because we are going to have fun beyond. We shall even participate in the nightlife in the places we go to. So the private sector, please, the next trip, come and be part of it. Now, with those very many words, let me take this opportunity to flag off this group going for the Explore Western Uganda campaign. I wish you all the best and let's all have fun.
A round of applause for our minister, ladies and gentlemen. For those who have not been recognized, if the minister did not recognize you, it doesn't mean you are not important. It means you belong to others. So don't take it personal. So ladies and gentlemen, special round of applause to our champion, kickboxing, Mr. Golola Moses of Uganda. Yes, he has been putting up this council since last year and is still consistent. And the Bamoyala shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, let us explore. Come on, let's do it together. Ladies and gentlemen, let us explore. Let us explore. Let us explore. Let's go.
Okinonyeza wano ojedda wali kinonyeza wali siteboni ogenda okakuba omuggo nga kayise okakuyise mumagulu naye kati twabutega tubukulira kano buno osimanya obutabo. It's Madrat alongside the champion. Golola himself. Watch out the style. We are going to see the water. Don't die on us, Mugasa. Yes. Don't die on us. Don't die on us.